Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If first time you're watching this beautiful face, then I am Sonam Rautole. I'm a mural artist and I have just opened this YouTube channel to just share my daily routine, my vlogs and some of my makeup tips and actually everything like hair care, skincare and everything. And if you're interested in any of these topics like vlogs and skincare, makeup and some of the drawing, whatever goes in my life, I just upload over here. So just to share with you all my vlogs, parties and everything. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this look. Then I have already uploaded on my channel. A link is given in the description box. Go and check it out. This is a makeup I have created without any foundation and without any makeup for my base, but I have just used a new eyeshadow palette which was 325 rupees, and this is a beautiful look which has come up and I was so excited with that palette. So if you want to see how I have created and what is that palette is about, then go and check that out. So today I'm going to show you my favorite eyeshadow palettes which I adore, I love, and it's good for travel and good for travel anywhere, and I carry this all the time. So if you're interested in any of these palettes, then please don't forget to watch this video complete. And yeah, these are really mini, tiny, and I love them. So yeah, further ado, let's get started. The first palette I'm going to talk about, this Chamber palette. This is really small. You can see the size, it is so small, and this is from Chamber, the Tria eyeshadow dazzling splits, and this is the 3 colors you have, and it's so beautiful and it is there with me for so long. And it has a brush over here, but this is like a maroon shade, this is gold, and this is a sparkling type of a shadow. So I love this so much. Is my all-time favorite. I use this every time, which is this Fusion Reloaded palette, and this is a beautiful palette. You can just carry this single palette and you're good to go for travel. This is really palette. I'm going to talk about this really nice and sleek small palette. This is and this is the City Mini palette, and this is a beautiful gorgeous palette. It has shimmers and everything. It is so beautiful. The texture, you see the pigmentation is so gorgeous. And just show you a score. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and I love this palette so much. You can create so many looks with it. You can just take this one shadow, apply on your lid, and you're good to go. And also you get a tiny brush with it. So, and it has one side brush and one side you have this sponge like off, so you can just apply it with this also. It's travel friendly. I'm going to talk about Wet n Wild, and this is the Wet n Wild palette. This is a color icon and this is a beautiful palette. I love this so much, and the color combinations are also so pretty. It has shimmer, it has shimmer, it has a medium color, a base, and also a dark shadow. So I love it and it's so my favorite. This is also from Maybelline, and this is a really small. It is from, I don't know, from Ages I have with me, and this is the palette. It has beautiful shades in it, and you can travel with it. The color shades, the shimmers are so beautiful, are so gorgeous. The black is pigmented as ever. It has just finished, but this is a beautiful palette. You can carry this anywhere, and this is like pockets I have. This is also from Wet n Wild, and I have used this use it like a crash. And this is the palette, and I love this palette. I carry this every single way, and this is the palette, like you have everything single in it. You just need to carry one brush and that's it, you're good. Palette is from Sivana Colors, and this is a palette which I have just traveled. I had just traveled somewhere and I had used this palette, only this palette, and this palette is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. You're going to love this palette. You have all the shimmers here, that is the thing. No mattes are there, but when I was traveling, I would have, you can see this, oh my god, It's so beautiful. The colors, the payoff, the pigmentation is so good that you can see, so good that you can just wear this single shadow and you can just go on. And this the packaging is so small, so I love this is from Sivana Colors, and this is a number, it is luxury velvet eyeshadow palette, so it is really small, sleek. You can just, is from Being Woman. It's from Being Woman, and this is the eyeshadow palette, how it looks like. And this is a intense eyeshadow palette. It has 6 colors in it. It also comes with a brush, but yeah, I know we don't use brush palette. And this palette is the beautiful. The colors from this are so beautiful. You can just watch one, and I'll just watch this and show you. It's so pigmented, and this palette is so beautiful. You have only 6 colors, but the colors are so unique, so beautiful. I love this palette. And if you want me to make some looks with it, then please do. My loving palette, like, it's not palette, it's a liquid eyeshadow, and this is also from Sivana Colors, and I have the full kit with it. This you will get it for 650, and these are the you can get also one. It will cost you something 200 or something, yeah, but this pigments are so beautiful, so gorgeous. You get you get 6 shades, and I'm just going to show you one shade. These are so beautiful, and I'll just swatch here. Oh my god, you can see it's so beautiful that you can just apply this shadow. You can see, oh my god, you can just apply this shadow on your lid, and it looks so gorgeous. It looks so stunning. It looks really stunning, and your eye look is done. Actually, you no need to carry some of the eyeshadow, so big palettes and all when you travel and all. So yeah, these are my favorites when I go travel and all. I carry these are my most favorite. And if you want to see the favorite looks and favorites video, then please do comment below. I will do more videos on it, a series on it. If you want to see more of this, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye.